This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like after the snowstorm. You can see it's pretty deep. That's my Jeep over there. My gloves are in my Jeep. Not a good look. Thank God my neighbor did his yard first. There goes the moon up there. Oh boy. This is something else. There's the moon way up there, but I'm not going to get a clear shot of that. Welcome to my scope, Sonera. Yeah. This is what it looks like. I have a lot to shovel. I shovel my next door neighbors and my yard. But I think I got to get into my car first, and that looks like the impossible thing to do, because I got to get through all of this to get over there. And there is no path. No quick path. Let's see what we get. I have to get into my truck to get to my gloves. Let me see how bad this is. I see the cats and stuff were here. See cat prints. Oh, maybe I can get out over there. I can walk down to my other neighbor's yard. Oh, look at that. I parked my car back there. Oh, God, it's going to be a while before... Well, my Jeep, I can climb over this stuff. I really don't have a problem with it. Oh, there goes a snowman. Somebody built a snowman and left a snowman here. Yay! That's the snowman of the snowstorm Jonas. That was Jonas. Some people did a great job. Look at this, huh? They dug out. God bless them. As soon as I get my gloves, I can start digging. That's a lot of snow. Those people back there, they ain't getting out for months. Well, for weeks, for a couple of days. They're not getting out from there. I can pull my Jeep right out of this. I have no problem with this. I just gotta get my gloves. Warm the truck up a little. Oh boy. That beautiful or what? Wow. This stuff is hard. Oh boy. Not anything that can't be done. Now, this is Brooklyn, New York. Day after the big snowstorm. Nobody's awake yet, which is good. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I doubt anybody's going to be awake yet. Wow, look how high that is. That car is almost buried. Oh boy. Some people dug out already, but they got all of this here that they got to get moved, and that's not going to get moved so quickly. Oh boy. well, that would be about it. You guys have a good day, and I'll show you when I pull my car out and get everything shoveled. This is Chip Takacs, signing off from the lovely borough of Brooklyn, New York.